the United Nations felt that some of their staff in Haiti needed assistance with supplier management. You know, they recruit people from places where they've had peacekeeping missions. And some of these people are retired military and so on, but rarely do they have the training and background for skilled supplier management. And in Haiti, they faced some really tough situations there. And they realized that you know, some additional training could really help them. So they reached out to ASQ, you know, looking at ASQ as a premier organization in this matter. Here's an example of one of their challenges. So you're trying to deliver a package, okay? And the streets, most of the streets have no names, and most of the houses have no numbers. How do you do that? How can you deliver on time? You know, a quality metric. We're used to that in you know, first world countries. How do you do that in Haiti? Well, as it turns out, they really needed to, you know, as the Japanese say, they had to go to Gemba. They had to see what was happening on the streets. They had to then use process maps to understand what were the steps we were going through. They had to look for points of failure, and they had to build more robust, you know, procedures to handle those points of failure. And of course, you know, they have package delivery people and so on. You know, trash hauling, taking the trash out. For us, it's an everyday occurrence. In Haiti, it's a major obstacle. They don't have the same kinds of trucks or handling equipment. And so you hire a local vendor and they come and do that. So just two examples out of dozens and dozens. So at the end of the week, they were doing SIPOC diagrams, and they were doing swim lane charts, and they were building these tools that they could then work with the suppliers and sit down and say, this is the process. How are we going to manage it? And since then, they have made tremendous progress. The quality tools that we use support quality of life. Ultimately, that's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to build a better life. As I've said, you know, when you're dealing with process improvement, you cannot do it without people who are engaged. But you cannot have engaged people unless they're making a difference.